but the clutch just came in. The UPS guy just dropped it off. It was about, I want to say 3 days of shipping. So that's pretty good. I'm here in Texas. And you'll see, this is the full kit. This comes with the flywheel, the clutch, the disc, everything. I'm not using the thrower bearing they gave me, but I'm using pretty much everything else. Honestly, don't trust their thrower bearing. It's not even it's just the bearing part, and I would just replace the whole thing. I wouldn't replace just the bearing. Okay, here's the disc. It's got a bunch of instructions I will read later. Okay. So see, this is a dual friction disc. I've never seen this before. So on one side it has like an organic style clutch or something. Looks like it has some kind of copper in there. I'll give you guys a better view of it when I'm putting it together. And on the other side, it's got this like aggressive style material, to my understanding. So we'll see how long she lasts. Hopefully, this engine shouldn't make more power than this clutch demands. And I'm not putting it on drag radius, so we'll find out. Okay, here's the clutch disc. As you see, I've got just a bunch of shit all over my floor. So here's the original. This is the clutch that was in it. It's a Z06 clutch, an ls6 clutch, just a stock replacement. It wasn't holding. It was slipping, and also the pedal will get stuck to the floor. So I don't know. Hopefully it'll hold more than this one. For sure. If it doesn't hold more than that one, it's a pretty sorry excuse. So let's see. Here's I believe this is the throw up bearing. Yeah, here it is. I definitely won't be using this. Put that back. And this is okay, it comes with a clutch alignment tool. So we'll see how that works. It comes with the pallet bearing. Not going to be using this. The pallet bearing in there, I'm not even changing it because it only has like 10,000 miles on it or something. Maybe even less than that. Maybe 5,000. I will say, it looks impressive. Definitely, hopefully, this thing will hold some power. Looks like it has much harder, much stronger springs, thicker springs, and many more compared to the factory stock clutch that I had. So let's look at the flywheel. Box is really cool stuff. I can find and here's the flywheel. Oh, I can definitely feel it is lighter. This is supposed to be a lightweight flywheel. Hopefully this thing does not fail. I was kind of worried about it. I was thinking it was aluminum at first, but it actually is supposedly steel. It's like a supposedly high performance steel. I'll get you the right name. Supposedly it is a steel flywheel. Okay, so actually it is a steel flywheel. I'm happy about that. I was thinking, you know, some of the, I think Fidanza flywheels, this is aluminum, and then they just have like a steel plate riveted. But this entire thing is actually steel. It looks like they cast it, and then either they drill these holes, or almost looks like these holes may have been just drilled from the factory. I mean, it almost looks like these holes are cast in here. Not sure. So It looks pretty good, so we'll find out. I'm gonna try to bolt this on tonight, and I'll videotape all of it.